என் அன்பான உறவுகள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today I am going to teach you the evergreen song which is composed by Ilayaraja sir, Manjam Vanda Tendral. Hope you all like it. Before moving to it, like, share and subscribe my channel and get benefited. Click bell icon for my regular updates. Moving on to the notation, I'll place notation in the description. If you have any doubt, you can either comment in the comment box or you can WhatsApp me to my WhatsApp number which I'll place in the description. So now I have tuned my Veena Stuti to 5, that is G. So this song Manjam Vanda Tendral, it is set in Keeravani with Natta Bhairavi notes. So now what I am going to do is I am going to construct my Mavan as Sa, Pa as Ritu, Davan as Gavan, Nivan as Mavan, Tarasai Sa as Pa, Tarasai Rivan as Davan, Tarasai Gavan as Nivan, and Tarasai Mavan as Tarasai Sa. Okay, so Dhatu and Nitu is also present. So when Dhatu comes, you have to consider Tarasai Ritu as Dhatu and Tarasai Gatu as Nitu. Okay, so when we consider Mavan as Sa, obviously the previous note it will be Nitu, Nivan, Dhatu, Davan, and my open string it will be Pa. Okay, likewise in higher octave, here when we consider Tarasai Mavan as Sa, the next note it will be Rivan, Ritu, Gavan, Gatu, Mavan, Matu, Pa. So our last fret it will be Pa. Okay, so anyway we are going to use only Ritu and Gavan. So when Ritu comes, Tarasai Ritu, you have to consider Tarasai Pa as Tarasai Ritu, and you have to consider Tarasai Davan as Gavan. Okay, hope I think I'm clear. So Sa, Ritu, Gavan, Mavan, Pa, Davan, Nivan, Sa. Sa, Nivan, Davan, Pa, Mavan, Gavan, Ritu, Sa. Okay. So before moving to Pallavi, let us see the Ala portion. Ala portion starts with Tarasai, Gavan. So we have to slide it from Pa to Gavan. Okay. Ga, re, sa, pa, ma, pa. So all swaram has a separate meter. Only for Ga we have to slide it. Okay. So Ga, re, sa, pa, ma, pa. Ga, re, sa, re. So re I am starting from Sa. Ni. So here we are using Nivan. Okay. So re, ni, pa. So pa I am starting from Mavan. Okay. Single meter. So once again Ala portion. Ga, re, sa, pa, ma, pa. Ga, re, sa, re, ni, pa. So this is Ala portion. So slowly I'll play and show you. So just observe. Okay. Now moving on to the Pallavi. Pallavi it starts from Sa. So Sa, Sa. The first Sa, the meter of Sa I am doing Nivan. So and then I am sliding towards Sa. Okay. Sa, Sa. Likewise Ga, Ga. So Ga, the meter of Ga I am doing in Sa and I am sliding towards Ga. And second Ga is plain. Understood? So Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga. So like this you have to play for 4 times. Only for the first time we can slide it from Ni, and remaining 3 times you can just play Sa, Sa plainly, and only for Ga we have to slide it. Okay. So Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga, Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga, Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga, Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga, Pa. So Pa, what I am doing, the meter of Pa I am doing in Sa, and I am sliding towards the open string because the open string is Pa. Okay, Pa, like this. Okay. So once again, Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga, Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga, Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga, Sa, Sa, Ga, Ga, Pa. Re, Ga, Pa. So Re, Ga, you have to play it in a single meter. So Re, Ga, Pa. Likewise, like the previous note, I mean the previous line. Okay, the meter of pa I'm doing in sa and sliding towards the open string. Pa, like this. So re ga pa re ga sa. So pa re ga single meter, sa single meter. Okay, so this is the first line. So observe properly. Sa sa ga ga sa sa ga ga sa sa ga ga sa sa ga ga pa re ga sa. So second line is as same as the first line. Okay, so the tune is same. You can follow the same notation. Sa sa ga ga sa sa ga ga sa sa ga ga sa sa ga ga pa re ga sa. So these are the first two lines. Moving on to the third line. Ga ma pa pa. That is ga ma pa single meter. I mean like each one has a single meter. Ga ma pa pa. So pa I'm starting from ma. That is pa ma pa. Okay, and I'm giving a small improvisation like in a single meter. Okay, ga ma pa pa, ga ma pa ni da. Likewise, ga ma pa ni da. That is ni da ga pa da. Like that. The whole thing you have to play it in a single meter. Ni da da pa da. Understood? Observe. Neither and then da pa da, the whole thing, entire thing you have to play it in a single meter. So ga ma pa pa, ga ma pa ni da. After that ni ni sa. So this line we can play it in three ways. That is ni ni sa. Two knees. The first knee I am starting from pa and the second knee I am starting from daven. So here the knee one is used. Okay. Ni ni sa. Understood? Ni pa da pa ma. That is ni pa single meter, pa da pa single meter, ma single meter. So this is first method. Observe. Ni ni sa ni pa da pa ma. This is first way. The second way is ni ni sa ni pa da pa ma. So pa da pa here I am using this pratham. Observe properly. Single meter. So pa da pa ma, that's ma ga ma, like that. Here also you are using single meter. So the second way is ni ni sa ni pa da pa ma. This is second way, and the third way is ni ni sa I'm pulling in ni. Okay. Ni pa da pa ma. So da I'm pulling in pa. Okay. Ni sa ni pa da pa ma. So these are the three ways. I'll play and show you once again. So either way you can use it. Okay. So the first way is ni ni sa ni pa da pa ma. This is first way. Second technique. This is second technique which can be used by if you're okay and if you're feeling easy to play, you can use the second technique. And the third technique, ni ni sa ni pa da pa ma ma. Okay. So either way you can use, and then again Pallavi, like from the beginning it will come. Sa sa ga ga, from the beginning mantra mandha it will come. So hope I think Pallavi is clear. So slowly I'll play and show you. So just observe. So this is the Pallavi portion. Now moving on to the Charanam. Charanam, it starts with Tarasthai G, that is in which Tarasthai Pa is to be considered as T2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide from Pa. Okay. Re sa re pa. Okay. Re sa re pa. So re, that band I'm starting from sa. Re pa. Re sa re sa. Okay, so once again from the beginning. Re sa re pa. Re Re sa re 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 sa 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 ni sa. So ni sa, here I am using ni one. Sa sa ni sa ni da ni. So here I am using da two and ni one. Okay, ni da ni pa pa da pa. So instead of playing da pa, you can have an improvisation like pa pa da pa. So pa da pa, you can play like that in a single meter. Pa da and pa single meter then. Okay, so pa da in a single meter, pa in a single meter. So I can have improvisation. If you are finding difficult, then you can play like plainly pa da pa, da one, just like that you can play. If you have if you add the improvisation, it sounds really very good. So pa da pa, like that. Okay, so once again from the beginning, charanam. Re sa re pa, re sa re sa sa ni sa ni da ni pa da pa. Okay, pa da pa, like that. Okay, then once again we have to repeat the same thing. Sakti different, but the tune is same, so you can follow the same notation for the next line, but you can add some more improvisation, that is re sa re pa, that is re sa re pa. You can play like that. Sari you have to play it in a single meter. Okay, sari pa, like this. Okay, second time when you are playing. So first time you can play like just re pa. First time when you are playing, you can play like this, and while second time you can have like this. Sari pa. This is for second time. Okay, so second time re sari pa, re sari re sa sa ni sa ni da ni pa da pa. The same thing can follow. Okay, now moving on to the next line. Pa da ni. So here we are using ni two. Okay, so pa da ni, that is da two and ni two. Okay, pa da ni da sa ni, that is da sa ni. So the sa ni sa I am playing in a single meter, and then ni separate meter. Okay, so pa da ni da sa ni, pa da ni da sa ni. Now moving on to the last line, pa da ni. So here also we are using da two and ni two. Okay, pa da ni. Okay, pa da ni sa re ni ga. Okay, observe properly. Pa da ni sa re. So pa da ni sa re ni. So ni, from ni, the meter of ni I am doing in re and I am sliding towards ni. Okay, re ni ga, re ga re. So three times you have to play. So the last line I will play and show you. Pa da ni sa re ni ga, re ga re. Again manda, the Pallavi portion. Okay, so Charanam, I think it is clear. So slowly I will play and show you. So just observe. So that's it. Hope I think this tutorial will be useful for you. If you like the way I teach you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and get benefited. Keep supporting me. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you so much.